everyone, quick and easy tutorials here to show you how to cut down on junk mail, credit card offers, catalogs, marketing mail, and all the random paper clutter showing up in your mailbox. Following these steps will not stop every single piece of junk mail forever, because junk mail is apparently immortal, but these steps should help a lot. So let's get started. First, go to OptOutPrescreen.com. This is where you can opt out of pre-screened credit card and insurance offers. The ones that say things like, you're pre-approved or you've been selected. You can usually choose a 5-year opt-out online or a permanent opt-out that requires mailing in a signed form. If you want the fastest option, do the 5-year opt-out first. If you want the more permanent option, print, sign, and mail the form. Next, go to DMAchoice.org. This helps reduce catalogs, magazine offers, and other marketing mail. It will not stop everything, but it can cut down a lot of general promotional mail. You'll create an account, choose the types of mail you want to reduce, and manage your mail preferences. Now, for specific catalogs that keep showing up, contact that company directly. Look at the mailing label and use the name and address exactly as printed. Then ask them to remove you from their physical mailing list. You can say, "Please remove this name and address from your mailing list." If the mail is for someone who no longer lives there, say, "This person no longer lives at this address. Please remove this address from your mailing list." For mail addressed to current resident, removing your name may not work because the mail is attached to the address, not to you personally. In that case, look up the sender and search for that company's opt-out instructions. Finally, going forward, watch what you sign up for. Store rewards programs, free samples, warranty cards, sweepstakes, and discount codes can all lead to more marketing mail. Whenever you create an account, check the marketing preferences and uncheck anything about catalogs, offers by mail, or sharing your information with partners. So, quick recap. Use OptOutPrescreen.com for credit card and insurance offers. Use DMAchoice.org for catalogs and marketing mail. Contact specific companies directly when they keep mailing you. And be careful with marketing boxes when you sign up for discounts or rewards programs. That's it. Your mailbox may not become peaceful overnight, but this should help get a lot of the junk out. Good luck. Bye. Thanks.